Hey Jeff, this is Brittany. We spoke earlier and this is the video that I was telling you about. So basically, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do in order to get more people hitting your site and start beating out your competition online. Alright, so looking at your site, it looks really good. Flows really nicely. You did a really good job with it and everything. One thing that I would suggest is if you see here, if I go save image as, this is just saved as like a code, an image code. Save your images as like keywords like Dayton roofing, Dayton restoration, roofing and restoration, things like that. That'll help with driving traffic to your site. Alright, so also the one thing that I wanted to talk about was content. So all of this kind of stuff right here, this is all of your content, and Google loves content. They read all of it, and so it's super important, and it's definitely the #1 thing when it comes to search engine ranking. You have a good bit here, which is awesome, but I would recommend about 1,500 words or more on this home page right here, and around 500 words on these back pages. I'm not saying that someone's going to come by and actually read all of it, but Google does, and they'll be like, hey, you know what, InZone Roofing and Restoration is a roofing expert. They have all of this relevant content, and so they're going to push you guys on up to the top of Google. And that's one way to get on up there. So the next thing is we're going to look over here at Ahrefs. Sorry about that. Let me go to, so this is y'all's site. So besides content, we're going to take a look at backlinks. So backlinks are important. And these are links from other companies, typically in the same industry, that say like, hey, your company is trustworthy. I'm going to send them a link. Like I'm going to send you guys a link back. And I will just say that not all backlinks are created equal. Some are stronger than others, but I'm not going to get into all of that. One thing I will say is that you do have a few backlinks here, but you definitely want to add more, just because if you see right here where it says no follow, these backlinks unfortunately aren't doing you any good. It doesn't look like you have too many. Here's a few. But yeah, you definitely want to get more of what are called do follow backlinks. And then, so now we're going to go back. And so you've got some backlinks, definitely want to get some more. And the next thing I want to talk about are keywords. So it's showing that you have keywords. When you click, there's really two. I think, oh, it says this one was just added 48 minutes ago. So yeah, so if you see here, you're ranking for these keywords, but you definitely want to get more so that you can get higher. Like this one, Dayton storm damage, you're ranking in the 57th position, so you're about there on the 6th page of Google. And you'd want to get up there on the first. So yeah, we're going to do a little bit of comparison. So I did a Google search, just roofing Dayton, Ohio. And then you can see right here that these three are the Google Map Pack. And this is done through something called citations, which is your name, address, phone number for various keywords in different directories. Kind of like a virtual yellow pages type thing. And now, if we scroll down, you got Castle Roofing. And I just wanted to note that everything that I'm showing you is to drive traffic to your site organically. It's not Google Ads, Home Advisor, Angie's List, anything like that. It's scaling your business and getting the type of clientele you want just by doing this. Alright, so we're going to take a look over here at their site. And their site is really nice, but I also think yours is super nice too. So like, there's no difference in that. So we're going to go look under the hood over here at that Ahrefs app that I was just telling you about. So they have 384 backlinks. So this is something you would want to definitely go after and get a bunch more to start beating them at backlinks and start doing all of that. And then they have 100 keywords. So we're going to come over here and we're going to take a look. And the reason why we look over here is what we do is called the copycat method. And we can just see what kind of keywords they use. 40 people are searching roofing Dayton, Ohio a month. Let's see, roofing Dayton, Ohio is getting 150, roofing Dayton, OH is getting 40. So you would definitely want to take some of these keywords and add them into your backlinks and content, and start getting ranked for all of those. And so that would definitely help get on up there. So yeah, let me bring you right here. So just to kind of recap, is to start saving your keywords, or saving your photos with all of those keywords, just to help bring that kind of traffic, and increase your content on your main page, 1,500 words, and 500 on your back pages. Getting into the Google Map Pack through citations, just with your name, address, and phone number in different directories online, and getting those keywords into your content to start ranking for Dayton roofing and restoration. Yeah, so this is something that you can totally do if you want. You can do it yourself, but I'm definitely happy to help out, and we can scale this to a point where it has a really positive, yet dramatic effect on your bottom line, and get people in without any additional cost of advertising. So yeah, just take a look at what I've presented, and if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll follow up with you in just a couple of days. Thank you.